Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the electronic parking brake, or EPB, on your Hyundai Tucson. Gone are the days of the old handbrake lever. Now it's just a simple switch on your dashboard. The EPB uses electric motors to hold your car in place, making parking on hills easy and freeing up cabin space. But sometimes, you might see a warning light or find the brake won't engage or release. Don't panic. Most issues are minor, like a quick computer glitch or a low battery. After rear brake work, especially new pads, the EPB needs recalibration, or it'll throw an error. Before heading to the garage, let's try a few easy resets you can do yourself. A simple dashboard reset, a battery disconnect, and the steps needed after changing brake pads. These fixes are straightforward and can save you time and money. Grab your keys, let's get started. It's easier than you think. Let's sort it out together. Let's start with the easiest fix, the dashboard reset. If your EPB warning light comes on, this is your first move. Sit in the driver's seat, fasten your seatbelt, and press the brake pedal firmly. Turn the ignition on, don't start the engine. Hold the EPB switch down for 5 seconds, then pull it up for 5 seconds. Repeat this push-pull sequence 2 or 3 times. This helps the system clear minor faults. Release the switch. The warning light should disappear. Start the engine and test the EPB. If the light stays off, you've fixed it. If the dashboard reset didn't work, try a battery disconnect reset. You'll need a spanner for the battery terminals. Make sure the ignition is off and remove the key. Open the bonnet and loosen the negative terminal, never the positive. Move the cable away and leave it disconnected for 15 minutes. This lets the car's electronics fully reset. Reconnect the terminal and tighten it. Turn the ignition on. Some settings may reset, but that's normal. Start the engine and operate the EPB. Most times, this clears stubborn faults. Simple and effective. After changing rear brake pads, the EPB needs recalibration. The best way is with an OBD2 scanner. Plug it in, select EPB service mode, and let the system retract the calipers. Fit the new pads, then use the scanner to exit service mode so the EPB learns the new pad position. If you don't have a scanner, there's a manual workaround. After fitting pads, turn the ignition on, engine off, press the accelerator fully, and hold the EPB switch down. While holding both, turn the ignition off and on again. You may hear the caliper cycle. This can force recalibration. Always finish with a dashboard reset for good measure. Still, investing in a scanner is best for modern cars. It's safer and more reliable. Don't skip this step after brake work. Safety first. Always work on level ground and use axle stands if lifting the car. Disconnect the negative battery terminal first, reconnect it last. Never force the EPB switch if it's stuck. If the warning light returns or you hear grinding, there may be a deeper issue. An OBD2 scanner can help pinpoint the problem. If resets don't work, or if you suspect a mechanical fault, call a professional. Some repairs need specialist tools and knowledge. Don't risk your safety. Know your limits. Most EPB issues are simple, but don't hesitate to get expert help if needed. Happy motoring!